Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 98 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our wonderful mates over at Fanhome. Now, you'd like to grab this and build along with me folks, and who wouldn't? Head over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this iconic TV car. Let's have a look through this week's magazine. You got the Sport of Penguins there, Burgess Meredith again. Night of the Stalker from the Detective Comics series. Batman 16 Part 1. Robin War begins here. Oh, does it now? Batman Rebirth. Some more artwork there from the Rebirth comic. Year by year there. What we got today, we've got the left door side piece, left door handle and some fixing screws. And this is how it's going in. So we're building up the thickness of the door now with the trim panels. Going in with 3 cm screws. So it's nice and easy. We'll then be pressing in the door handle. And then the result will be the door with the end closing panel, the base and the handle in place, okay? We'll put the magazine to one side. We'll come back, get all the bits ready, and we'll do a bit of assembly, folks, okay? All right, so we've got a head door. And this is the assembly there with all the different logos and stickers and stuff on there. And that's resting in there, and then it's going to locate on these 3 raised pegs, okay? So we'll line them up like so. Get that resting into place, making sure that all the crooks and nannies are all in situ. There you go. Like that. Let's grab our first screw. Nice bit of oil on her. Like that. Let it run down the thread. And we'll go right down in that one there, I think. Not fully tightening them just yet. I want to get all 3 in just in case it needs adjusting. You never know. Do that so that I can see where that's going in there. And then the same with that one. Line that up in there. Now we can start homing all the screws, folks. So we'll start with that one, being that that's the one we was on. That's fully in. As is that one, which only leaves that one there. Like that. And then we got the door handle to press in place. Like so. Press it nice and firmly in place. I can get all my fingerprints on it. Really, I should put my gloves on, but I keep forgetting. It has been rather warm as well, so we don't get too warm. There you go, folks. That's the door done. Looking rather sexy already, isn't it? Look at that. Oh. So we'll leave that one there. That's that issue all sorted. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, folks, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic car. Also, to help me out, you can give a little Festa a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel. It is free. Helps me out immensely. Helps grow the channel and keep it alive. Also give the bell a ring whilst you're there and select all with the notifications. That way you'll get notified of upcoming and future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.